Okay, now we go to Pringles. So we had to cut the video because nabusog na si Zika sa kakakain. So we got two flavors of Pringles. So one is the takoyaki flavor.
With emphasis on mayo.
With emphasis on mayo. And the other one, we threw the box na kasi na-try na namin siya. This is the scallop flavored one. So
Scallop soy sauce flavor.
Oo nga eh. So interesting na may ganun sa kanila. Comes pala in packs of 3 eh. So they have 3 cans inside one box.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's try this one. Well, okay, let's first try the scallop flavored one. So the scallop flavored one. How did you describe this?
Ano siya? Medyo seafood dish yung flavor. Kung ano naman yung scallop.
Yeah, parang mas subtle na barbecue flavor.
It's still...
Pero may seafood.
It's still potato chips. Pero yung flavor niya, parang scallop. Parang seafood yung flavor niya. Parang scallops naman, in fairness.
I actually like it. Parang hindi mo mapapansin that you're eating a lot kasi the flavor's not as strong as the barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
Diba? Okay, let's try this one naman. This is my first time to try the takoyaki with mayo. Takoyaki nga. Alam niyo yung flavor ng... Yeah, actually, ng takoyaki. Ganun. Seriously, parang it's so accurate. Diba? Sobrang
yung amoy nung mayo niya. Yeah, actually. Paano na ginawa to? Galing.
Hindi ko ma-explain. Nice. Pero, ganun yung flavor niya.
I think a lot of it is nasa amoy. Like, when you're eating it, na-amoy. It's very takoyaki, in fairness.
Ayan, so there. So
I like it.
Yeah. Those are the 2 flavors of Pringles that we got. So let's set this aside.